Nàìjíríà ó ti di pé bó o bá o pa bó o bá o bù lẹ́sẹ̀ ó ti di wípé kí ló fẹ́ ṣe fún mi sẹ́ẹ̀ àní mo fẹ́ fi ìyà jẹ yín ni kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe fún mi ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́yẹ kẹ́yìn ọmọ Nàìjíríà kẹ ebi ò ní wùwá pé bámúbámú mowó. I don't have any family in Nigeria, to be honest. Ebi ò dẹ̀ pa mí ṣùgbọ́n tí ó máa ń wá sínú ọkàn mi ní gbogbo ìgbà is not about the present situation. Èyí tó ń bọ̀ upcoming children, do you have any future for them? No future, no education, no sound education in Nigeria. No sound education, no sound medical system. Every day, everybody are dying like a chicken, and they were accountable. They are not accountable. The government won't. The government of Nigeria, they don't care. Even they won't address the situation. But due to Nigeria gullibility, they know that you people are gullible. You are gullible. To be honest, Buhari is telling you that he's not leaving the country and he's not leaving a seat for any Yoruba, whether Tinubu or anybody. He's not leaving it. And you Yoruba were joyous. You don't even care about your future. That wípé ite bá ń wá owó kiri ní ọ̀nà àlùmọ̀kọ́rọ́ in an illegal way. Tẹ́ ń wá owó in an illegal way. But whether you are a Yahoo, whether you are a scammer, whether you are a kidnapper, ó lè lo ẹ̀mí gúngùn láyé. Bí ó bá kó lè lo bá ń jà kiri tó ń pa àwọn ènìyàn, within 3 years you shall be killed. Because Bible say who killed by the sword shall die by the sword. Tẹ́ pé òun ká pátá ni òun lu kádàrí èèyàn ni owó yẹn àtọmọdọ́mẹ ò lè jèrè rẹ̀ wọ́gbọ́n ikú òjijì ló máa kú wọ́n tó lọ ṣògùn owó. But why can't you looking and focus on the current situation? I'm not talking of Yoruba nation because Yoruba nation is not possible. And I will continue to say it, and I will continue till whenever Timba son kokon, you people love to manipulate my words. At the end of the day, it's always come to pass. Wasn't last week I spoke about Igboho's lawyer in Benin? Wasn't last week? I will keep on saying the truth. Not until when somebody gossips to you, Sunday Igboho, it's just a common sense. It's just a common sense. Because you people, you don't reason with your senses. You reason with your anus. Because common sense, now can you call somebody that is a lawyer to Sunday Igboho and he's doing a live shot? Definitely, then why you people are criticizing him now? At least I read file not to disappear. Tell me a lawyer to long represent Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho sita. It should be a private thing. Oh, yeah, any board, oh, yeah, carry information, Benny, definitely, you know, the Nigerian government, they will contact him to work for them. Sunday Igboho, it's been, at least, it's been locked up, going 3 months now, or if it's not 3 months. But the problem that is holding Sunday Igboho back are the agitators. It's high time they keep their mouths shut. Because they reveal too much of information about him. Because too much information are being heard on social media. That is why I said you are doing it for your own interest because of the money you are getting from it. I want to swing a Lady K. It's from here, come party when you pay one hold you. Lady K behind the bar. She is a terrorist to be according to the law. She is a terrorist. You agitator terrorist ni Tomamui under terrorism on charge you because you don't know where you are talking. When you are talking, pe ti na won warriors kon lo ra ìbọn o, kon lo gbébọn o, kon lo pa àwọn bàbá kan o. Ṣé mo pé government le nbaja is an act of terrorism. Elo sí Wikipedia or kẹ́ lọ sórí Google kẹ́ lọ search what's the meaning of a terrorism. You will see the definition. When you people, we are screaming that day, you cannot compare yourself. I'm a blogger. So yeah, I'm a blogger. I have every right to criticize all the elders in the government or within the kingdom. bloggers ni me, but bloggers have no respect for anybody, because I'm not saying they should be splitting the country, but èmi máa ń bá wọn wí ni. So iye tí máa sọ pé ṣèbí Esabod ló kọ́kọ́ ń bú ọba, my own case is quite different from yours. Ẹ̀yin fẹ́ pín ìjọba ni, which is act of terrorism. Because bonita is sọ pé ìyá ó ṣe Esabod yẹn ṣe bó máa ń bú àwọn ọba ti pẹ́, èmi ń bá àwọn ọba wí tipẹ́tipẹ́ ni, mo ń líkì gbogbo secret wọn tipẹ́tipẹ́ ni, being a blogger, and I've been doing this since 2012. But I've never said it that they should divide Nigeria, because you don't know the difference at all. But for being a critics blogger, controversial blogger, any act of terrorism, Lenji. Because all the elders, so you can rescue him into gbogbo mess te wa yi, et gbogbo wọn lè ti ṣépè fún pé kàn lọ jó ààfin ọba, kàn lọ pa ọba, kàn lọ jó ààfin lágbájá, kàn jó ààfin tẹ̀mẹ̀dọ̀, kàn lọ da agbolé kan rú. Wallahi, Lady K, I know for sure they will not release Lady K. It's just a common sense. Because ebi owo show Lady K rí. Until 3 days ago, mo rí tán comment nípa Lady K níbì kan. Àwọn yẹn wọ́n rí fast pé kàn lọ sórí page ẹ̀, wọ́n farabalẹ̀ wo 2 or 3 videos of her. 3 videos of her where she was threatening the government. Because anybody that is any nti oye yin ni pé terrorism lẹ ń ṣe. Let me tell you how it's become a terrorism. Anybody that want to yapa, anybody that want to come out of a country, they always kì í ṣe pé wọ́n fi terrorism yẹn bú yín. That is what they call it, terrorism, because you are terrorizing the sitting government. It can happen in UK, it can happen everywhere. Under terrorism, anybody to bá fẹ́ kó nínú government, and there's nothing like a peaceful let us go Yoruba nation now. There's nothing peaceful. You are hurting the sitting government. Of course, you are saying that they are arresting you people agitators. Of course, before you can declare yourself Nigeria, you should dance. You should dance to the consequence. There is a consequence for being a terrorist. Because ìlú tẹ́ ti fẹ́ kúrò gan, èyàn fi ojú bọ̀rọ̀ gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ èkùrọ́ ni. But ẹ̀yin máa sọ pé we are having our peaceful rally. Why you are chanting Nigeria and Yoruba must go? So that is why if you really want to come out of Nigeria, you should be ready to die. You should be ready to sacrifice your life for the upcoming generation. It must believe we all enjoy agitators, because if you know the definition of being coming out of a country, for being coming, it's just a common sense. Once you have a common, you'll be able to pause and ponder and digest what is the outcome of coming out. Are you ready to face the music? It's only that is when you can come out of Nigeria, if you are ready to face the consequence. Agitating on social media, campaigning on Facebook media doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't go anywhere. You have to go on the street, and should be ready to dance in the rain. Gbogbo ìlú ni, because violently lẹ́yìn sọ pé ṣe fẹ́ kúrò ní under Nigeria with the words. Ẹ kàn sọ wípé while you are rallying on the ground, gbébọn lóòótọ́, gbá kìlọ̀, but your words is like a weapon. Ẹ lọ jó ọba kan, ẹ lọ jó Abẹ́òkúta, is a weapon. And whatever you say will be accountable in the law courts. Oh no, mo sọ yìí pé èyí Sunday Igboho ṣe fídíò yìí pé I think Sunday Igboho you need to shut up. Kó yẹ pé wọ́n ló máa rún náà dúró tó fẹ́ jẹ ní bí ẹ̀bẹ̀nẹ̀ rẹ̀ kó. You talk, that's the problem I have with you. You talk too much. Ìdílé èpò rẹ̀ fẹ́ pọ́ ni. You don't have any power with this present government. You don't have ebi ò ní pé tẹ́ bá fẹ́ bínú kẹ́ bínú. Nobody can shut me up. No one can shut me up. Imagine me, I've been talking on social media since 2012. So I want to tell you that I'm not used to bullying. Yeah, no. I've been bullied since 2012. So if I don't develop a thick skin by now, I don't care whatever you say. I will continue to tell you the truth. And the truth hurts. There's so many things tí Igboho ti ṣe tó ti complicate gan. Tó ti complicate are. àwọn weapon ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ jáde to the government and to the kings. And if at all ó wá ní kó máa gbé òǹbọ̀ wá Nàìjíríà, tó bá gbé wá sí Nàìjíríà, wàláì they will use all those threats against him. He should stop bragging. He should concentrate. He should concentrate how to get an asylum, and he should keep shut. He has so many bad advisors around him. One of them I should be on my bí a ó pé bá pé ògbójúlówó ní kò sọ máa jẹ ní kò àbí wọn sọ ògbójúlógún sọ máa jẹ ní kò ọ̀rọ̀ jẹ́ kí sọ fún yín kí ló dé táwọn Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà yín tó láwọn ní ayẹta wọn ṣe jáde ẹ mọ̀ pé búlẹ̀tì àmì kò ran ayẹta wọn kàn pa yín dànù ìbọn òyìnbó ò ran ayẹta wọn kàn fẹ́ wọn waste ẹ̀mí yín. I don't think yín tó sọ last time yẹn kò yẹ kó sọ ó ṣì wà níbí kan wọn ò tí ì mọ solution. Àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà tó ló gbà ní Kútọ́nù wọn ti gbà bọ̀dẹ̀. They cannot ordinarily. They can't even bail you out. What you more sita because they sold Sunday Igboho out. No, yeah, me I said that Nigeria Yoruba nation, you can never get a Yoruba nation because sense of reasoning, oh, shall be is not like the way they may feel you. Psychologically, and it over is okay. Ọ̀tá Yorùbá ni, ọ̀tá ìjọba ni pé Sunday Igboho. Lawyer to know fẹ́ gbalẹ̀ Kútọ́nù ó ń ṣe live shots. And you see how people go inside the inbox to lobby, to draw them to their side. Is that not what I said? Kí newspaper tó wá gbé. Ẹnu iná ni, ẹnu ká máa brag yìí ni. Sunday Igboho, you need to keep your mouth shut. You damage so many things, but this time around, you need to stop bragging. The only thing you're supposed to be looking. Sorry, but I don't hear you. Sunday Igboho, are they supporting your wife? Want to castrate? She wants support your wife. That is enough for you to know that you don't have anybody. Or that like we come out or like we be a PDP content, they are deceiving you. I think within their circle, they're supposed to rally. You don't have anybody. One time, you're not a child. That is the only thing I hate about you. But she me all the time. Secret. I've never said it outside. When they say something is a secret, I will keep it. Gbogbo ariwo wèrè tó kàn pa lórí social media. Yorùbá must go. Kìnní kan o. Yorùbá must go. They are a time waster. Gbogbo Zoom meeting tẹ́ ẹ̀ gbogbo yín ṣe tẹ́ ń kóra yín tẹ́ ń kó bí 2010 ṣe Zoom meeting fún wa lórí social media. What is the outcome of it? Yorùbá ẹnu burúkú. Iṣẹ́ àfẹ́ báyìí bọ̀bọ̀ ìjẹ́ pátápátá. That is why he said that if he has a very good PA, tó bá di PA gidi ní tí wọ́n pay a fake and illiterate like him, they shouldn't have posted that video out again. Kí n Yorùbá fẹ́ kó gbé wá Nàìjíríà now. Tó máa gbé wá kò sí kankan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. They will sue you to the court. Wọ́n náà mọ̀ kó ti complicate pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ti sọ. Mo sọ pé alágbára kì í sọ̀rọ̀. Inú lágbára fi máa ń jà. Ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́yìn bá sọ, they will use it against you. Wọ́n gbé mi lọ sí court lẹ́ẹ̀mejì because they use the word I said against me. Wọ́n lo vocal words again. Not until ìgbà tó bá rí yàn physically tó yọ̀bọ̀n tó yàdá. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá sọ, like all those current agitator, they are deeply looking for them. They are deeply looking for them. And they will. So Lady K has complicated. How can somebody? I don't watch her. And you could go me on because it's repetition of words. I'm going to learn Yoruba nation now. Social media and Yoruba nation now. Seba won Congo se Gabon. Seba won Rwanda. I mean Somalia se Gabon. Oh, Leni are nothing but a thief. You just a scammer. Just a scammer. So gbogbo yẹn lè rally ran lọ láàrin ara yín kẹ́ fún yàwó Igboho ní 2 million with all the money you have collected gone 2 years. Ó lè ní ó yẹ ọwọ́ ìjọba dẹ̀ máa tẹ̀yìn. So they can free ṣe àwọn yòókù wọ́n free wọ́n ṣe speaker wọ́n mìíràn yẹn speaker yẹn burúkú bóyá pé repatriation ni ó gbà One meaning gidigidi, because when you are coming out of a country, whether you go to buy guns, whether you're going to buy mercenaries, whether you have it should be within your circle. It should, team. It should be within your group. It's not something you should be saying on the social media. You said everything. They will use every word against you because Lady K, she has complicated herself. But there is a minimum of 10 years imprisonment for act of terrorism. Go and Google what we don't like. We don't know. Once you have chosen, okay, or whatever mass on Facebook, let's show, we pay, let's campaign. I don't think you should be threatening. Koiki Sotiti, Olo ma bomb because in London, Olo ma bomb no police station London. Nítorí pé kíni ẹ fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn hail yín pé àwọn ọmọ yìí ń sọ̀rọ̀ akíni wọn sójú òtì. How many rallies have you performed? Wọ́n gbà tán ti gbé Igboho. How many rally? Bólítì kan ní yín parọ́ pé àwọn ń ṣe rally àwọn ò gbé wá mọ́ ni kò sí ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè ṣe rally tó má tẹ̀lé yín kò sẹ́ni tí ò kí ń lo camera phone wọ́n á record wọ́n á ti jù síta. Àwọn sọ fún yín pé olè ní yín ọ̀lẹ ní yín ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ agitation yẹn ti choose it as a full-time job. Ìkànnì yín kọ́ ló ra ọ̀kadà bí 40 tó fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún lóṣogbo yẹn. Pálábá yín máa ṣẹ́gi. Terrorism ni. If you are coming out of a country, your plan should be inside. It should be inside. But ẹ̀ ń sọ ní gbogbo ojú ẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹ̀kẹ́ yẹn máa sọ pé àbọ̀ àpá president lọ́la. Ṣé president náà ò ní múra? That is why you don't disclose whatever you want to do. So again, that's that for you. Sunday Igboho, I will continue to say my own. And to bá bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ títí ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ni tó love it. So gbogbo àwọn agitators yẹn, they are killers. They are sending you into a prison. Okay, you said they should send you back to Nigeria. Then sign àti Kútọ́nù náà. Ó ní láti bá gbòòrò. If you sign kó fẹ́ lọ, wọ́n á gbé ẹ padà ìlú ẹ̀ nínà. Kọ́ndé ẹ padà. Kọ́ ọmọ bóyá ò ní ṣẹ́ wọn. Stop bragging. Because Otilo are violent, Otilo threats towards the government. Otilo threats towards the kings. O better ko gbàdúrà pé kon fún ẹ ní asylum bi ní Kútọ́nù tó wà yẹn kó lè fi padà sí Germany. Tọ́n bá gbé wá Nigeria, ó jẹ tọ́n bá ti ẹ̀ pa ẹ̀ gan. Nítorí pé àti gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ èkùrọ́ ẹni country to country. Mo sọ fún yín pé mo fi ti example kó dàbí aláboyún tó lóyún fún oṣù 9 ni. Tó bá máa bímọ, ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa yá. Nígbà tó ń pé Sunday Igboho tí mo sọ fún yín lọ́jọ́ kìíní nígbà tá kọ́kọ́ gbé wọn lọ gbé mo ní is normal ẹ mú mi ẹ fẹ́ gé mi jẹ pé mo sọ pé mo inú mi dùn is normal ṣe bí ẹ fẹ́ lọ nínú ìlú ni wọ́n á pa yín gan òkú máa sùn. So stop acting behind your keyboards. Stop acting behind your computer. And go on the street. Let's only they say action speaking the words. Go on the street. I'm not part of you. You can't tell me to come and lead you. I'm not part of you. You don't in the mori buruku te mbakiri to Yoruba kin se pepe nja yen le lo bi kankan. Epe betraying people. O gayin. Epe odale. O dying, and you don't even like each other, you don't love each other, you hate each other, you can never go anywhere. Stop insulting people's hard-earned money. That is it. Let me go to Odunlade because whatever as a professional blogger, awarded blogger, when I say something trading, Prime Minister, let me block you now. It's time for you to go. I will block you now. What is the cousin? Adetiya will religion ti dauri yiru. Ono le che ni igbega. Money won le gba. Is that a cause? It's just a simple arithmetic. When there is no love, you can't build a room. When there is a love, they build a room. What are you talking about? Stop practicing all those back to sender or gbogbo kinikan. Wọ́n ṣe pé fún yín wọ́n sọ yóò bá máa sọ fún pé you can't get it. Okay, maybe they call you for an interview now. Oh, was successful. Man, collect that you are not successful. Mo mọ̀ pé photo yẹn lọ church ni. Gbogbo àgbà tó ní kí n ẹ kó ṣì lọ. That's the only time I can lo bá fúrọ̀ yẹn láyà yín. Odunlade Adekola. Without being sentimental or prejudice. You know, I'm a friend to everybody. I'm not a friend to anybody. I don't hate anybody. I do my job accordingly. Olóòótọ́ dẹ̀ ni òṣèkà ìlú. Ọdúnládé Akínkílẹ̀ Porúkọ Adékọ́lá. In tó ń ṣe is normal. Ẹ ń pariwo pé àwọn actor wọ́n máa ń dún àwọn èèyàn kó tó rí pé wọ́n fún wọn ní iṣẹ́ ẹjọ́ àwọn tó ní companies nǹkan tẹ́ bá lọ ṣe interview. It's not practicable in abroad. Maybe some countries, I don't know. In Nigeria kò sí ni ọ̀gá tó bá fẹ́ fún ẹ níṣẹ́ àjò ẹ̀. Instead of you to face the federal government, come pass the law. Kò sí ni tí wọ́n máa fún ẹ contract kò jẹ́ ìyàwó ilé wọn á gbọ́ṣẹ́ ẹ̀ wò Nàìjíríà. Kí students tó pass exam professor àjò. So epidemics tó wà Nàìjíríà ní pé ó fẹ́ gba iṣẹ́ ní báǹkì ni o fẹ́ gba iṣẹ́ ní custom ni o fẹ́ gba iṣẹ́ tọlọ́pàá ni o even gan fẹ́ pass exam ní university ni wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ṣẹ́ o. Then what is new about what you saying about Odunlade? Mo ti ń gbọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́. Òótọ́ gbòkì jẹ́ ìṣòro nìkan ló ń ṣe the same thing Ọlábánjí yẹn Láìdé Ọlábánjí yẹn wọ́n tẹ̀lé yẹn máa ń rape wọn ni. Wọ́n á sọ pé wọ́n ní àpò pé script wà pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe fíìmù bí kan mi wà wá ní pé bí hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì tó máa sùn tó bá di lóru wa lọ bá wọn bẹ̀. So what is happening within the